Clink. Yeah, Dad's playing on the VR and he's being annoying. Is it? Is he being annoying playing his stupid boxing game? Ah, Link. Link. Hi. Link. Give me. Give me that. Hey, Link. You're using so now. Hey. So this dog does a thing where if he gets really, really excited, he'll pick up a bone, kind of like this, and he'll pick it up and he start like dancing. You want it? There's nothing on it. But he'll pick up a bone and he'll start dancing around while wailing with it as he runs into your knees. I'd have to record it one day because you wouldn't believe if I told you, but he runs around like waggling around with a bone in his mouth while wailing. And I call it his bone wail. So this is my little Link. This is Link. He's like 2 years old, I think. And he's Archer's brother, which is my other dog. I have 5 because my mom's insane and she collects dogs. Got anything to say to the camera? So no, he is not named after the Legend of Zelda character. My mom simply just named him Link. He was a runt in the litter 2 years ago and he needed to be bottle fed. And I thought he died when I was bottle feeding him. And I'm sorry for the stupid boxing noise in the background, but Link was being really cute. Aww. So yeah, this is my real life dog. Well, one of them. And yeah, this is Link. Yeah.